Alright guys, feeling pretty bored. Didn't get anything out of the last box, so I might as well just bust this one. Take my loss. I don't know if anyone saw my other box break, the 0607 SP Authentic, but it was pretty terrible. Alright. Hopefully we'll pull something that'll recoup my losses. Everybody go out and get the 0607 Ultimate Collection when it drops in May. Yeah, there's tons of cards in here, so I'm just going to go through them really fast if I can. Last time I ran out of time. Ugh, but they stick together. Lovely. Jarrett Jag, Vince Carter, Rasheed Wallace. Chris Paul, Carlos Boozer, Gerald Wallace, Serenus something, and Kevin Garnett. Paul Pierce, Jason Kidd, Channing Frye, Ilgauskas, Rashard Lewis. Al Harrington, Allen Iverson. Got her. Oh, it continues. This jabroni and Antoine Jameson, and auto is numbered out of 25, and it's his jersey number 21 out of 25. Pops Mensah Bonsu, I think is how you say it. Yeah. Well, 2 more hits to look forward to. Hopefully of equal quality. Kirilenko, Ray Allen. Oh, there's one. Shannon Brown, rookie exclusive. That's not too bad, I guess. Jersey card. He wants you. Tyson Chandler, Brad Miller. Oh, please don't be a hit. We still have like 20 more packs to go through. Can't have them all come out in the first 5. Alright, Steve Nash, Tim Duncan, Nate Robinson, Alonzo Mourning, Drew Gooden. Shaquille O'Neal, Dwight Howard, Jason Richardson, Ben Wallace, Kyle Korver. Chauncey Billups, David Stoudemire, Ricky Davis, Grant Hill, Shard McCants. I'm gonna sneeze here in about 2 seconds. Excuse me. Andre Iguodala, Ron Artest, Gerald Wallace, Kevin Garnett, and another jabroni I can't say. Decent looking cards. Too bad their hits weren't a little bit better. Kenyon Martin, Sebastian Telfair, Chris Kaman, Gerald Green, Jermaine O'Neal. Okay, Charlie Villanueva, Dirk Nowitzki, Marvin Williams, Vince Carter, Rasheed Wallace. Andre Miller, Gilbert Arenas, Tony Parker, TJ Ford, Jameer Nelson. Take all these out. That one feels. Ricky Davis, Kenyon Martin. We got another auto, rookie authentic, Steve Novak. On card out of $9.99. Awesome. Devin Harris, Josh Childress. Josh Childress here in the back. Sean Marion, Richard Jefferson, Michael Redd in his O face, Devin Harris. That's like the exact same pack as the last one. Minus Dorado. Sticky cards. Alright, Sebastian Telfair, Al Harrington, Tyson Chandler, Brad Miller, Nate Robinson. Allen Iverson, Jason Kidd, Paul Pierce, Jamal McGlory, Paul Gasol. Tracy McGrady, Andrew Bogut, Lamar Odom, Sam Cassell, Chris Bosh. Mike Bibby, Stephon Marbury, Kobe, and Emeka Okafor, Martell Webster. This is the last box. I got one Kobe, one LeBron. About 50 Nate Robinson. Oh, there's my LeBron. Manu Ginobili, Andre Blatchett, Joey Graham, Luke Ridnour. That should be it for hits. Maybe I'll get 3 autos, 1 Gillies. I don't remember. Jason Terry, Joe Johnson, Shane Battier, Elton Brand, Carmelo Anthony. Last 4 packs. About 3 minutes left. Shaquille O'Neal, Dwight Howard, Charlie Villanueva, Hakeem Warwick, Yao Ming. Dirk Nowitzki, Marvin Williams, Amari Stoudemire, Richard Hamilton, Raymond Felton. Andre Iguodala, Ron Artest, Andre Miller, Jamal McGlory, Paul Gasol. And the last pack of this awesome box product from Upper Deck. Gilbert Arenas, Tony Parker, Jason Richardson, Ben Wallace, and Kyle Korver. So there you have it. That's so you know what to stay away from, even though it's really cheap and really tempting to get. It's 2006, 2007 SP Authentic from Upper Deck. Thanks for watching.